So this is our new aluminium range, aluminium and non-ferrous materials. It's a kind of high-end specialist really for those materials.
Today we're going to be talking aluminium machining, solid carbide in fact, and I'm here with GÜHROJet and we're going to learn all about your new range.
Yes, Joe, so this is our new aluminium range, aluminium and non-ferrous materials. It's a kind of high-end specialist really for those materials. We start off with kind of our standard length free flute end mill, going up to a length of 6 times diameter. With through coolant, without through coolant. We do them highly polished, uncoated. We also do them with our Carbo Plus coating, which is a DLC coating. We have within the range a rougher end mill. It was our own design. We call it a WF form, which is a type of ripper geometry. We do single fluted end mills and chamfer end mills and ball noses. So again, it's a whole revamp of the range entirely. And going on to the micro tools, we do it's our micro RF 100 AL. That starts at 0.5 mil, going up to 3 millimeters. We do in 2 different lengths, 2.5 times diameter and 5 times diameter. Yeah.
I will say quite often when a company releases a new range, it's nothing like this. That's a big range to start with, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah. When we look at the coating, this is a coating I haven't seen from GÜHROJet before. So can we concentrate on that?
Yeah. So it's our Carbo Plus coating. It's our new DLC coating. It's a very thin diamond-like coating. It allows us to get a lot smoother finish on the tool. So the tools themselves are nano polished, so very, very highly polished. And then you've got the addition of the Carbo Plus coating, which adds to the smoothness. This all helps with chip evacuation when machining at very fast speeds. It repels pickup when machining aluminium, which can be a big problem. So yeah, the coating has been a very good addition to us.
And when we look at the range, obviously it's vast, but how about things like rads?
Yeah, so again, each cutter, so each length, we do in a 45-degree corner clip. We call it edge protection, or we do it in a range of rads. So each diameter has a range of rads as standard also. So yeah, the range is very well complete.
Obviously many industries machine aluminium, aerospace in particular, Formula One, motorsport. Is that why this was developed?
Yes, exactly that. You know, as you said, lots of industries machine aluminium. There's a higher demand for bigger and faster metal removal rates. Hence why we designed these new products.
I know these tools, they've got radial land. What are the advantages?
So a radial land gives us a lot higher running smoothness. So it's more stable and less vibration, which enables us to run at a lot higher kind of surface speeds, which ultimately gives you a lot better metal removal rates.
And on some of the smaller tools, you've got this unique, or fairly unique, this coolant flow down the side of the tool as well.
Yes, so that's what we call GÜHROJet. It's peripheral cooling, so the coolant actually comes around the shank, around the tool. With micro tools, having through coolant going through the actual tool will weaken the tool too much. So we have it coming around the periphery. We get good access to the tooltip, helps with chip evacuation, helps with cooling. So yes, so we only do that on the micro tool. The bigger diameter tools, we would have through coolant coming through and out the flutes of the tool. But the micro tool, it comes around the periphery of the tool, out the shank.
And as always with GÜHROJet, good stock availability, next day delivery.
As always, these are stocked in the UK. So next day delivery or same day pickup. So yeah, always got good stocks in the UK. Like I said, we can promise next day delivery. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these new products, the catalogue's available to download on our website. Or get in contact with your local Guhring engineer, or email info@guhring.co.uk, and someone will be happy to help.